Residents of Nairobi County and its surrounding areas were startled Tuesday evening by an unexpected tremor. The earthquake, which registered a magnitude of 4.2 on the Richter scale, occurred without prior notice and extended as far as 38 kilometers from its epicenter in Nairobi. The earthquake struck at approximately 8:35 p.m., causing buildings to shake and prompting some residents to run outside in alarm. Despite the surprising nature of the event, there have been no reports of serious consequences or significant damage to infrastructure. Many Kenyans took to social media to share their experiences, with many describing the shaking as brief but noticeable. In response to the tremor, the Nairobi County Disaster Management Unit is on high alert and monitoring the situation closely. This earthquake serves as a reminder of the importance of emergency preparedness, even in regions not typically prone to seismic activity. Experts recommend that residents familiarize themselves with safety protocols, such as identifying safe spots within their homes and having emergency kits ready. While the tremor caused temporary alarm, life in Nairobi has quickly returned to normal. Public transport and daily activities continue uninterrupted, and authorities remain vigilant in case of any aftershocks. The Kenya Meteorological Department continues to analyze the event and will provide updates if any new information emerges. For now, Kenyans can breathe a sigh of relief that the earthquake, though unexpected, was minor and caused no serious harm. This is a developing story. Keep it here for more updates.